Hello everyone, welcome back to AeroHub and welcome to the series of lectures in Gate Aerospace. You can see the question. A two-cell tube with thickness 0.5 mm is subjected to a torque of 10 Newton meter. The resulting shear flows in two cells are Q1, Q2 as shown below. You can see the structure here. We have a rectangular structure which is divided into two cells. This is cell number 1 and this is cell number 2, and cell number 1 is having a shear flow of Q1 and cell number 2 is having a shear flow of Q2, and the dimensions are 50 mm into 50 mm, that is a dimension of a square. Okay, this question was asked in GATE 2009 and they are asking the torque balance equation for the section. Okay, so we have to find out the torque balance equation for the section. The options are Q1 minus Q2 is equal to 2000 Newton per meter, Q1 plus 2 Q2 is equal to 2000 Newton per meter, Q1 plus Q2 is equal to 2000 Newton per meter, and option D 2 Q1 plus Q2 is equal to 2000 Newton per meter. Okay, so this is the question, and we have a multi-cell structure. We have a multi-cell structure here, and we have two cells, cell number 1 and cell number 2, and they are asking the torque balance equation. Okay, so we have something called Breed-Bartow formula. Breed-Bartow formula, that is nothing but the relationship between the torque and shear flow. This T is equal to 2AQ. This is the equation called Breed-Bartow formula, or just simply called Breed-Bartow theory. Okay, and for a multi-cell structure, for example for a two-cell structure, this equation will be T is equal to 2A1 Q1 plus 2A2 into Q2. Okay, where Q1 and Q2 are the shear flow for cell number 1 and cell number 2. A1 and A2 are the shear flow for A1 and A2 are the area for cell A1 and A2. Okay, in this case the area for both cell number 1 and cell number 2 is A1 will be equal to A2 because we have the same dimension, 50 into 50. Okay, and it should be in millimeter, this should be in meter, so I can write as 50 into 10 power minus 3 into 50 into 10 power minus 3. This is the value for the area. Okay, so I can write the equation as T is equal to 2 times the area into Q1 plus Q2. This will be the equation for this particular cell because the areas are same for cell number 1 and cell number 2. So finally I can write the applied torque is 10. 2 times the area will be 50 into 10 power minus 3 the whole square into Q1 plus Q2. Okay, this is the equation, and if I am solving I will be getting Q1 plus Q2 will be equal to 2000 Newton per meter. This will be the answer of this question, and the answer is option B. Okay, and that's all about this lecture. We will solve more problems in aerospace GATE in the upcoming lecture. Thank you for listening. Take care.